Assalamualaikum friends, I am Labik from LabX. Programmer plus developer friends, do you know why someone is ranked to be a professional? Because he knows how his tools works perfectly. Development of an app is not a different thing. Laravel is your tool. Knowing about it in more detail is very important. So friends, in this video, you will learn about the basic architectural lifecycle of the Laravel project in major 4 parts. Friends, before start tutorial, I have a very important appeal for you. We are creating content based on concepts that are totally related to the official recommendations. It is our passion to make critical and complex computer concepts so easy for everyone. If you also find us helpful for you, so please subscribe to us and join our community on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. It's really important. Now we can continue our first step, entering point of Laravel application by opening the terminal as we did with CMD and type PHP artisan serve. As you are watching, server is running on HTTP address with a port number. So programmer plus developer friends, when we run PHP artisan serve, it starts with a HTTP request cycle which is generated by a file index.php located in public directory. It loads all composer generated autoloader and retrieves an instance of the Laravel application from Bootstrap and starts Laravel. After it, Laravel starts its first action of creating an instance of the application service container. The Laravel service container is a powerful tool for managing class dependencies and performing dependencies injection. Dependency injection is a fancy phrase that essentially means this class dependencies are injected into the class via the constructor or in the same class or in some cases settled method. These are so important and each time we are using these service containers, but we will learn about them in details at third point. After loading all installed system files, an incoming request sent to the kernel, where all commands coming from the terminal based request sent to the console kernel. Mostly these are schedule commands. It's our new Laravel application, so for now nothing happened with it. But all requests coming from HTTP address must be passed through the HTTP kernel. Programmer friends, HTTP kernel handles requests by the Bootstrap, which has all the Laravel system definitions. So at once, when the Laravel application starts, it checks all the details for error handling, configuration, logs and detect the whole application environment that needs to be handled by any request. So each time when any request comes, it must pass through from app HTTP middleware directory. It is the same middleware that has been seen in our logical structure of Laravel. By default, middleware checks HTTP sessions and maintenance mode. But as per our need, we define our own definitions for handling HTTP requests. For example, if a user is login, then go to the dashboard, and if not, it must redirect to the login screen. It is the simple authentication rule, and the method signature for the HTTP kernel's handle method is quite simple. It receives a request and returns a response. Think of the kernel as being a big black box that represents your entire application. Feed it up with HTTP request and it will return HTTP responses. Friends, once Laravel knows its all environment, Laravel application kernel bootstrapping starts its third action for loading the service providers for your application. Service provider bootstrapped all the configured servers and services from the config directories configurations file providers array. Laravel will iterate this list, call the registered method, and create instance of all service providers. The registered method will be called on all providers, so it is ready for use. You will use these service providers in the service containers as per your need in any related functionality. For example, in a user class, you need to enter the database entities of the user table. So you just need to call related service providers in the service container in a particular class. So each time when service provider calls for service container, a boot method available at the time executed from the system definitions and the whole logical concept of Laravel starts its working. If you don't know about the logical workflow of Laravel as MVC, so watch it by clicking on the link. Essentially, every major feature offered by Laravel is bootstrapped and configured by service providers. Since they bootstrap and configure, so you realize that it's true about Laravel that it grows with you as your knowledge about it. Service providers are the most important aspect of the entire Laravel process. One of the most important service providers for your application is the root service provider. Root service provider loads the routes to files contained within your application's roots directory. Once the application has been bootstrapped and service providers have been registered, the request will be handed off to the router for dispatching. The router dispatches the request to the root or container, or maybe it was handled before proceeding because a user is not authenticated or authorized for the request. The middleware redirects the user to the login screen. As you have seen, the logical and physical structure of Laravel plays a major role in Laravel basic request concept. If you want to know about them in detailed and clear concept, watch it in our Laravel playlist. So programmer plus developer friends, once a routing method returns a response, the response travels back through the root's middleware for giving a chance to modify or examine for the last time. It's all about the request cycle of Laravel, but it's not end there. It starts again with the request and again starts its cycle. For starting our own build first real-time coding example based on roots, where we will see about its basic working, its types, and again we will see a relation of it with other component of logical diagram. But don't worry, we tried our best to make it simple and interesting as possible for everyone. So friends, allow me for then. See you very soon again. Khuda Hafiz. Take care.